ISO 188 oven 101. We made the rack for you out of this material. What you can do with it is you can put whatever you want in here and hang as many or as few as you want. It has a 7 RPM rack motor in it, and the rack motor kind of floats. And it has, I used the conduit punch outs up top to allow some air to go in and out of it. The rack can be made to turn on and off separately, even if the power is off. You have 2 controllers on here. One is the chamber temperature controller, which will just set your desired temperature here in degrees C. This one is plenum temperature safety. What this does is this probe is in with the heater, so if the blower stops, it will sense the fact that there's a problem far sooner than where it used to be up in the test chamber. When it reaches 108, it will shut the chamber down. This one also has an over temperature in it. It is set for a deviation alarm of 10, so you don't have to play with this in terms of the alarm. It will follow wherever you set this to, 10 degrees over. This controller will also shut it down in case there's a problem. We fitted it with an analog retransmit feature so that it will push a 0 to 1 volt DC signal to match the temperature. Inside, there's your rack, and we left a little bit down off the bottom so you can move it up and down, but we also realized that if you wanted to, you could put a second layer in here, and we could come up with something to add, bring this down a little bit further. You can put 2 rows of samples in there in case they're shorter than the normal 6 inches.